Good morning, guys. I'm
What's that, Mom?
this Seguaba, my favorite dish bulanglang from my uno.
Wow! For lunch yan. Tapos si Tata Say, nagme-make ng... What's this?
This is for the hot prawn salad.
Wow!
I made a mistake, guys.
Why?
Instead of buying fruit cocktail, I bought peaches pala. Good thing meron pa akong fruit sa ref.
Wow! So fresh yung fruits. Wow! Chicken barbecue. Sino nagtimpla nitong chicken barbecue? Oh, it's Tata Say. Look, oh. So yummy. It's like mag-insal. Ay, bibek. Bibek pa after frying. Look. It looks yummy. Ikaw mag-hand over kay Kuya yung gift mo.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
So we're going to start with the neck of the guitar, which we can actually use the wrapping paper roll that we have.
Where is it?
This is a little long,
Here.
so we're definitely going to have to shorten it. And then we have our body, which is this box. We have strings to pluck and play with. And I think we even have little tuning knobs that we can use.
Oh. Harap ka dito.
Hi, we're gonna surprise Kuya.
So now we just need to...
Excited with Kuya Uno?
Abang have a balloon for Kuya.
Oh, what will you say kay Kuya?
Happy
That's one,
birthday.
right? Twinkle.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, they all make different sounds. What are the pieces that?
Ay, wow! Thank you, Lala.
Oh, may letter pa siya. Wala pa. Lalala, paskip na. Hi, Ian.
Three, two,
Once we have that all
one. I like this one.
Ay, wow.
Love it.
Nas
Ano
na.
si letter?
This one.
Hindi yan ang may letter siya.
Oh,
One.
The menu for Kuya Uno's birthday.
Sige, tira.
Oh, pistachio cake.
Hindi na ako pag nahuli ko na te.
Hi, Tata Nay.
Hawak mo na
The
lang.
loving mother.
Hindi kayo. Ikaw yung dalawa ni Kuelita.
Aww.
Ilang nga sis? Ha?
Lahat na daw.
Ay, si Lete. Lola.
Oh, si Dela kinikilig. Kinikilig kay Kuya niya.
One, two.
Dala, ismay ka naman.
Hal kuya.
Ah, cute. So cute.
One, two.
So cute.
three. Ay, isa pa. One, two, three.
What's your message kay Kuya? Ay, kay Apo?
My first apo, uno, gusto ko yung ugali mo yan hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Pag mo babaguhin ko.
Okay, love.
Aww. How about Dele? What's your message kay Kuya?
Message mo kay Kuya.
What's your message for Kuya?
Kuya.
Kuya.
I love you. Kung
Wow.
sasama dyan, nasa likod ka naman.
Kala na mas...
Birthday.
Pasensya po.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Uno. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Nurse na si Daddy. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Make a wish. Make a wish lang.
Wow! Happy birthday, Uno!
Hello guys!
Hi!
Hi, happy birthday, Uno. Thank you for coming in this world.
Oh, ma'am.
Our first
Hi vlog! It's 3 o'clock. Merienda na po kami niyan.
What are you cooking?
Parang hindi niya yata favorite ang orange color niya.
I'm cooking spaghetti. Pababa, pataas ng pataas.
And there's carbonara.
Tufo paste.
May carbonara.
Tufo.
Ano yan?
Why mo sabi kayo dito po?
Kunwari ako, kunwari.
Kunwari.
Lalo mo. Rock na, no?